In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all trash in Notion. If you're a frequent user of Notion, you likely know how cluttered things can get over time. Whether it's old pages, outdated projects, or just entries that you no longer need, your trash can fill up quite quickly. Cleaning it out can be a great way to keep your workspace neat and organized. To get started, let's navigate to the Notion homepage. If you haven't already set it as a bookmark, simply open your browser and type in Notion's URL or click on your saved link. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left corner of your screen. You'll notice a sidebar with various sections like Workspaces and Favorites. Here, you're looking for the section labeled Trash. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a list of all the pages and items you've sent to trash. As you're browsing through your trashed items, you might be wondering if there's a quick way to delete everything at once. Unfortunately, Notion requires you to manually delete each item. It's a bit more hands-on, but also ensures you don't accidentally erase something valuable that you might later regret. So, buckle up and let's get cleaning. Start by selecting the trash icon that appears next to each item you wish to permanently delete. It feels a little bit like taking out the actual trash when you press that icon, a quick way to let go of old, unnecessary items. Once you've clicked the trash icon, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete the page. Think of this step as a final checkpoint, just to make sure you're certain before it's gone for good. When ready, click on the Delete Page button to confirm your decision. One thing to remember as you go through this process is that once you've confirmed deletion, these pages cannot be recovered. So, double-check before you make that final click. If you're unsure about any item, you might want to leave it in trash for a little while longer before completely removing it. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete all trash in Notion. This method ensures a more organized and efficient workspace, free from distractions or clutter. It might take a bit of time if you have a lot of items, but your Notion space will thank you for it. I hope this guide was helpful and inspires you to keep your digital workspace as tidy as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further tips, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy organizing!